The objective of this suck-down job is to fill and compress Big Joe, a beanbag chair, and other FOOF products. The equipment used includes a foam fill station, a cart, a roller conveyor, a bander, a rack with plastic bags. The tools used include a vacuum, an air gun. The materials used include Big Joe boxes, Big Joe covers, plastic bags. The personal protective equipment included hearing protection. Gloves are available. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and no air conditioning. The workers observed were 5 feet 7 inches tall and 6 feet tall. The work tasks for the observed suck-down job include foam fill, clean cover, and suck down and box product. The work methods for the observed suck-down job include: for foam fill, get the cover, open and inspect the cover, attach the cover to the fill valve. Activate the fill valve. When the cover is full, remove the cover from the valve. Close the cover zipper. Pull the cover over to the cleaning station. For clean cover, get the air gun. Using the air gun, blow foam off the overcover, reorienting the product as needed. Pull the cover over to the suck down station. For suck down and box product, get the product. Get the vacuum and position it on the product. As the product compresses, add body weight. Kneel on product, lay on product, push product using hands, etc. to increase compression. Using the vacuum, manually lift the product and position the product in the box. Remove the vacuum from the product. Close the box flaps. Lift the box. Position the box on the bander. Activate the banding machine. Push the product onto the roller conveyor. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the suck-down position. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium-high to high pace. Hands were in constant, rapid, steady motion and exertion to compress, pack, and clean the product. Brief pauses were observed when filling FOOF. Work is self-paced. Production demands vary. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing, continuous torso flexion or forward bending when laying on the FOOF to help compress the product. Forceful exertions were required to compress FOOF, pull and or drag FOOF, lift compressed FOOF and position in the shipping box, lift, carry, and position the box with FOOF. Push the box from bander to roller conveyor. Awkward postures were observed and include elevated arms to position and remove the cover from the fill station and to close/secure the cover. Many awkward postures were observed to compress the foof. This picture shows extended arms, torso flexion, and wrist extension. Elevated arms was also observed to compress the foof. Torso flexion and lateral bending to position the bag around foof components. Arm behind the body to pull foof. Extended arms, torso flexion. Elevated arms were also observed. Torso flexion to pack foof in a box and pick up the box. Elevated arm while banding the box. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the hand and forearm and the edges of the boxes and tools. It's important to note that gloves are worn. Also, contact stress between the torso, chest, and legs and foof components was observed. The recommendations for the suck-down job include: to reduce awkward postures and forceful exertions, investigate automatic processes for filling foof products. Consistent foam quality is needed so that a full product is determined based on weight. If this is impossible, perhaps machine vision can be used to identify full products. Investigate automation to move foof products from one station to the next to decrease forceful exertions and awkward postures. Consider developing mechanical processes to compress the foam to decrease forceful exertions, awkward postures, and repetition. Investigate using an adjustable height lift table for foof to decrease posture stress. This could also be a cart and used to transport the foof to decrease forceful exertions.